Welcome back to A70 Wintergewitter. We have Allied turn 5 and wind change. No wind change. Rally phase. So we have a leader over here. No good. Then self-rally in this hex for the squad. No. And then rally over here for the squad. And that is no good either. They lose the M. And they are out of action for this game. So, prep fire phase. Germans have one rally, pick up an anti-tank rifle there. That is good. And prep fire. So this guy, he will prep fire. 10 up 4 to there. Absolutely nothing. Then we have movement phase. So this guy is going to move. So he starts for 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, stop 14, delay 15, delay 16 and shoot, but this guy will interrupt with checking line of sight and making a motion attempt. Line of sight is good, so motion attempt on the 4, he fails. So then he will fire his bow machine gun to change covered arc to there, actually to there. So he fired bow machine gun, takes the shot, no effect, and this guy will not take a shot. Then we have German defensive fire phase. So this guy will change cover arc to there. This guy will change cover arc to there and take the shot. So it is 16 firepower plus enormous amounts. Actually, he will only change cover arc to there. So then it is +3, +6, +8, and 16 up 8. Absolutely nothing. Then we have this guy shooting, and he fires +1, +2, +3, 4, 7, 5. So it's an 8 up 5. Absolutely nothing. This guy will take a shot, so that is a 16 up 5. So 11 on a 16 is a PTC, if I recall correctly. Indeed. So pin task check for that guy, and he passes. Alright, that is defensive fire phase for the Germans. And we have advancing fire for the Soviets. So this guy will take a shot with his main armament at this guy. It is +5. And that's it. So he hits on the 5. That is a hull hit. So 76L is a 13. So 13 down 6 is 7 to kill. That is not a kill. Alright. So we have, that is it for advancing fire phase. So route phase, absolutely nothing. Advance, no advances, I think. Or this guy is also encircled. And we also have a acquisition over here. No, he will stay in place. So, no close combat, and that's it for Soviet play turn 5. So we are up to the last play turn, the Axis turn 6, and I hope to see you then, and bye for now.